Anticipation for the MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2021, is growing with Apple's spring-loaded event mere days away. Though the event, set on Tuesday, April 20th, is expected to highlight the next-generation iPad Pro, the keenly awaited next-generation 16-inch MacBook Pro is also speculated to make an appearance, perhaps with a new variant of the M1 chip. The MacBook Pro 16-inch 2019 had made a splash with its bigger display that provided more screen real estate without increasing the actual size of the MacBook Pro 15-inch. However, the overall design hasn't changed all that much, and its 13-inch brother got a nifty upgrade in Apple-made internals last year. So, fans of this newer flagship are anxious for an upgrade. Save for a low-key GPU upgrade in 2020, perhaps due to some folks getting impatient to see the sequel to the Pro line's larger screened model, there hasn't really been any official news about the follow-up to the original model. Lucky for us, rumors surrounding the new MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2021, have piled up, and they've been enough to tide us over. According to these rumors, the new MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2021, may make some big moves on the design front. That could include ditching the touch bar, bringing back MagSafe, and even more exciting, a new mini LED screen. Of course, there's also the prospect of giving it a massive boost in performance and power efficiency with what could be the sequel to the impressive M1 chip. Will we see the MacBook Pro 16-inch, 2021, at the Apple April 20th event? Possibly. But even if it won't be teased then, Apple, after all, has this reputation of staggering its major releases, it's still a seriously exciting release. Let us prepare you for what's to come, gathering everything we know and have heard about it below, from its rumored new features to its expected arrival date. Apple's revamped MacBook Pro 16-inch is likely to debut in Q3 of 2021, going by the most recent buzz on the laptop grapevine. One of the most reliable sources of leaks and tips on Apple, analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, previously said that he believes that the incoming 16-inch model could debut in Q2 or Q3 of 2021. A recent DG Times report then pointed to a Q2 debut, but that isn't the most reliable source in our experience, and Kuo has further predicted that fully redesigned MacBooks using Apple's own custom ARM-based processors will be turning up in the second half of 2021. Most recently, Kuo reasserted the Q3 date for the launch of the MacBook Pro 16-inch refresh. Furthermore, respected tipster Mark Gurman has indicated a launch around mid-2021, which fits with Q3. In theory, then, the new MacBook Pro could potentially pitch up as soon as July. Of course, it's entirely possible that even if Q3 is Apple's plan, the launch window could change, particularly given the unusual level of disruption the tech industry has been subject to in recent times due to coronavirus interfering with supply chains and logistics.